I mean, I think from my perspective, as we look at um, I've been doing digital marketing and e-commerce now for 30 years, and I think one of the opportunities that I think we have to be able to continue to evolve the systems is being able to segment our audience and create more targeted offers and engagement with our customers to improve that overall experience, but then to be able to drive greater conversion rates. So once we identify that lead, how do we ensure that we effectively close that as quickly as possible? And I think that's where there's a lot of opportunity to make sure that we're getting the right message to the right person at the right time and getting them quickly and effectively through that process and converted. So I think there's new tools in term and unlocked with data that allow us to really um, continue to tune and optimize that part of the acquisition process.
It's about finding a good partner as well, right? Someone who is a specialist in, say, SEO, that is, or Google Analytics, because Google can change their algorithm tomorrow, and you need someone who understands what impact that's going to have on your business, right? So that's also another thing, is kind of making sure you're on top of the waves of change that are coming from Google, from other big tech companies, to make
Yeah.
sure that you're ahead of that curve.
Yeah, and I think reviews is this new emerging one that I know people are starting to pay attention to, but as we do on Sparefoot, we had done some consumer surveys of what and get feedback from them of what's playing into their decisions. And if I went back 2 years ago, we didn't really hear about reviews at all. But now you hear more about people are looking at reviews, online reviews, Google reviews, and so reputation management continues to be one of these new things that consumers are paying attention to increasingly.